So hey guys, what's up? I'm LordAKS and today I'm gonna tell you how you can fix the problem can't create a challenge because you are currently playing, and it comes in a pop-up like as you can see. It's not this problem, but it comes uh, in this form only in the bottom right of your screen if you are playing in either in your phone, tab, or your PC. So it's a very irritating problem. First of all, I would like to elaborate what this problem is all about, and how I got it. I got it because I got disconnected from my game and I have to leave. uh, I was having some work, so I had to leave that game. I did not resign, but I just closed the browser and my browser was running in background. Now the thing is, when I reopened and refreshed it was saying that I lost the game, but when I tried to make a new game, it was showing me that problem. So it's a very irritating problem. I tried out puzzles, playing puzzles, playing puzzle rush, but still the problem was not going. I tried to reconnect, even I had a good internet connection, but this problem was not going. So I will tell you how to fix it. And if this method works for you, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel. It will give me motivation to create such videos for you. So the thing you have to do is, it's normal. You have to go to puzzles and play a puzzle battle, and once you will do it, you know everything will be sorted. I was like wondering, I really got worried when nothing was working. Then this was the last option and it worked for me. And you can try it out. And don't worry, I was just thinking when I got this problem that I have to create new account, but that's not the case. You have to just play a puzzle battle with any random guy, and you can then leave it and come to your screen back. Or you can complete puzzle battle. Obviously you can play puzzle battle once in a day. So if you have completed it earlier, you can do it uh, next day, because I did not get another way of uh, clearing it. So I think this is for today's video. If this method works for you, then do like, subscribe, and share. And you can also follow me on chess.com. My ID is LordAKS, as you saw in the opening part of this video. So thank you.